Hey everybody, this is Quick Smoke, and welcome back to Cooking with Quick Smoke. Haven't done one in a while, and I figured, why the hell not? Let's get another one going. So today we're doing it a little bit differently, okay? I'm not cooking a recipe, so to speak. I'm actually doing a review, okay? And it's an already cooked meal, I guess, but I'm adding to it because by itself it's just meh. I've already cooked this before. It is delicious. Yeah, well, let's just get to it. So today we are cooking a savory skillets chicken tikka masala. Okay. So it only takes about 10 minutes to cook, but it lacks the amount of chicken that's in it, and you can't have that. I personally think you can't have that without any rice. So, first things first, we're going to turn on the oven. Okay, we're going to get this pan hot. Now over here, you barely see it, but right here I have a cup of chicken broth, okay, that I'm just going to set to boil. Alright. And once that gets hot enough, we're just going to add rice to it and let it sit. So now we are getting our pan hot, and I'm just going to add a little bit of butter for flavor. And this chicken that I have, okay, you can get in the store. That I'm adding is just regular chicken strips. Now this is frozen, so it's going to take me a little bit to actually cook it. Well, it's pre-cooked, but to get it up to temperature, it's going to take me a minute. So let's just get this this butter melted, and we can get the chicken on the road here. You can add your own seasoning if you want. Some garlic, salt, and pepper. I might throw a little salt and pepper in there myself. Now that we got some of that, we're just gonna empty the chicken. You don't need a whole lot. This will feed this one bag will feed 1 to 2 people. I'm the only one eating it, so Papa Smoke doesn't like it. Should I cover this up a little? Looks like I might have to, huh? So Papa Smokes doesn't like it, so I'm just cooking for myself, and actually what I'm doing for him, because he doesn't like this stuff. He likes the Panera soup, broccoli and cheddar soup, so we're gonna warm that up for him. It's actually really good too. I do recommend this. So while we're waiting for the chicken to cook, let's just pour. It's ready to go. All you gotta do is just warm it up. The soup, that is. So we're going to open it up here without making a mess. Oh shit, just splattered on myself. Alright. So then back here, I have a little pot. I'm just going to dump it all in. And I'm going to put that one on simmer low, just so it gets hot, because we're going to have to stir that occasionally. Oh. Fire alarm. I don't know why that's going off. Alright, so now we're going to get a lot of noise. Nothing's burning, so I don't know why that went off. I'm actually going to leave that in there too. Just going to move these around a little bit. And I have a salt and pepper mix that I already pre-made. Just going to throw it on there. A couple pinches. And we'll get a little spoon and mix Papa Smokes. Soup. It's looking good, looking good. Now again, like I said, it doesn't have to cook long because it's already pre-cooked. We're just throwing some flavor and defrosting it pretty much and getting it warm. Our water for our rice is starting to boil, so let's put that in there. Alright. And all I'm going to do for that is swirl it around so all the rice gets covered. I'm going to turn off the heat. Put the cover on it, throw it on the back burner, forget about it till I need it. Still not quite defrosted yet. What happens if I turn off this light? That's too dark. Can't win, folks. Can't win. You can get the, while I'm doing this, I'm going to take a moment to recommend that you go over to Vault Girl or Japic Vault Girl 145 or Japic channel where they have a playlist of Geeks Can Cook, Geeks cooking playlist. You know, it's well over 300 videos now, or getting close to it. And as I've said before, if you can't find something to cook there is something wrong with you. But yeah, definitely check it out, guys. Go over there, check it out, give them some love. Cheeky follow, if you will. Chicken's just about done. Oof. Heat's burning my hand. So have you guys ever tried chicken tikka masala? If you have, let me know in the comments. There are some more. They do have more, and I do plan on trying to review some more. But it's going to take me a little while because they're about $8 a bag, guys. $8 a bag. So I mean, it's not bad. It's if you're a mom or dad or a student who just doesn't have time to cook an elaborate meal, this is perfect. It's absolutely perfect for you. Let me grab a spatula here, because this chicken's just about done. Now, I was going to take the chicken out, but I think I'm going to leave it in. Okay, and what we do here is we just open up this bag. And we just dump the rest in there. Okay, now you see these are the masala sauce. And all you gotta do is just keep stirring. That's one thing you gotta remember is keep stirring, otherwise things are gonna burn on you. Now that's the one thing you don't want. And you'll have, like, this turns into a pretty good amount of sauce. And you just cook it till it's about 165 degrees. You just take a piece of the chicken and Yeah, let's see if you guys can get a better look at what it looks like here. There you go. Just do, yeah, you cook it till it's about 165 degrees. At this point, I'm going to take a cover and I'm going to put it on and let it heat up that way. I believe Papa Smoked soup is just about done. It's looking nice and hot over there. It's getting hot in here, so don't take off all your clothes while you're cooking. Splashing's bad, okay? Let me see. I wish I was a way I could cover up this light so you guys could see better. I don't have a way right now. So, hopefully you guys can see it pretty well. I'm going to take that off and I'm going to make another. And it's starting to smell. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's starting to smell great. Now let me see if I can cover that up a little more so you get a better view of it. This is why I haven't done a cooking video in a while, because I've been trying to figure out the best way for the lighting on this. Alright, now we spun that around a little bit. Let's make sure we're centered. And I think the soup is done, so we'll shut that off and we'll put cover on that so Papa Smoked soup doesn't get cold. We're going to put that right there for now. So we're just about done, guys. The reason why I'm cooking this in real time is to show you that how quickly it is to actually make this without any effort, guys. Without any effort whatsoever. So look at that. It's just about done. Got a little bit of more sauce that needs to be melted or thawed in here. And it's looking delicious. Absolutely looking delish. Again, I'm sorry for the lighting. So we're going to cover that back up. And I am going to start to get my stuff ready for plating because it's almost there. Sorry about the quietness, folks. I had to go grab myself a drink. We're going to grab a plate. Put it right here. And we'll grab a nice big spoon. Pull the cover off. Give it another mixture. Check to see if there's any more sauce balls. I said balls. That looks like it's just about done. Let's check the temperature off. .98, 118, 131, 148, 152, 155, 158. Alright, 161, 2, 3. Alright, it's just about done, guys. Just about done. We're going to let it cook for a couple of seconds more. Then I guarantee you, well, I don't guarantee you, but I can tell you, let's turn down the heat a little on this, so you don't want that sauce to bubble, to evaporate too much. But anyway, as I was saying, I can almost guarantee this will be almost restaurant-like quality chicken tikka, okay? Again, let me show you how it looks. That lighting sucks so much. Alright, let's check the rice, guys. because I believe this is done cooking. Let's push that away. Pull out the white. Now, even though this is white rice, don't forget, I did cook this in chicken broth. Okay? So now that that's done, let me see if I can pull this over here and show you the plate. There we go. Whoops, don't tip. Don't tip. There we go. Alright, so now, the fun part. All we need to do, put a little bit of rice right here in the middle. Alright. Oh, I almost dumped all the rice. That would have been bad, guys. That would have been bad. And we're going to scoop some of this chicken and broth. Put it right on top. And voila. Chicken Tikka Masala from the Savory Skillets bags. In your local grocery store, folks. In your local grocery store. $8. A meal for yourself, like it's coming from a restaurant. Let me grab a fork and try it out. And let's see, how long did it take to cook this? About 16 minutes. 16 minutes to cook this. That's not bad. And a good thing about this is it's not majorly spicy like you get in the restaurant. Oh yeah. I'm going to chow this fucker down. Hopefully you guys try it and like it. And if you do, let me know. And if you like what you see, hit that like button. And subscribe and hit the bell notification. We'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.